Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Kling AI image to video. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to klingai.com, and from here just simply click on over here the sign in button on the top right corner of the screen, and just simply sign in into an account. Or if you don't have an account, you can just simply sign up over here, and you can just simply provide your email and pass. And once you are signed in, just simply click on here, AI videos on the left side, and now go for image to video, and just simply click or drop the picture over here. So guys, I will be using this picture as an example. Click and drag it over here. And now just simply wait for it to load up. Now, if we scroll down, we could add a prompt. So you can add a prompt over here like smile or sad. So it will be depending on you. And now you can draw motions as well. So just simply click on over here to control the movement. And now from here, you should be able to change the creativity and the relevance. So you will have your an option if the picture will be much more creative or much more relevance. And down below, you should be able to see the modes. You can change it to standard mode, which is a faster creation and lower expenses, or professional mode. And now you can go for the length. So you can go for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. And now I'm going to go for number of generation, which is only one. And now from here, you will have the camera movement as well and the negative prompt. And once you are done, you can just simply click on over here, generate. Now, as you can see, just simply wait for it to load up. Now, once it is done rendering, you should be able to see the download button. So the download button will look something like this over here, guys. And from there, you should be able to download it. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about Kling. And thanks for watching. See ya.